As the demand of electricity is increasing, more non-renewable energy must be burned to generate electricity. Humans are dependent on fossil fuels as it is the primary source in generating electricity. This source will soon be scarce as it is a non-renewable energy. This problem has sparked our mind, and a novel mechanical power generation using footsteps is born. Here you can see an exploded view animation of how the footstep generator is assembled. The footstep generator consists of several parts. When the user steps on the stepping platform, the gear rack system will convert from linear motion into radial motion. When the user removes their foot from the stepping plate, it will return to its original position due to magnetic repulsion. A mechanical design analysis is performed through several parts. The first one is the stepping platform. The second one is the steer plate of the base. And lastly is the aluminium profiles of the base. The benefits of this footstep generator is that it is using footsteps to generate power supply, it does not produce any carbon emissions, maintenance free, can charge the battery with every step, can be placed at any crowded places, and is a clean green technology. For the novelty, a one-way gear mechanism is used. This footstep generator has been patented and commercialized by Unipower Intelligent Sweden Bracket. For the financial analysis, the cost of this footstep generator total is 1,500 ringgit. Thank you.